Welcome back to Top Gears, the channel where we break down the latest vehicles shaping the future of mobility. Today's focus is on an all-new electric scooter that's creating serious buzz in the urban commuting space, the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026. Kinetic is a legendary name, and with the DX 2026, the brand is aiming to combine nostalgia, modern design. We'll explore its design, performance, battery, features, riding experience, pricing expectations, and whether it truly stands out in the competitive electric scooter market of 2026. Kinetic's comeback and vision for 2026. Kinetic has been a household name for decades, especially in regions where affordable and reliable two-wheelers dominate daily transportation. With the DX Electric Scooter 2026, Kinetic is not just launching a vehicle, it's signaling a strong comeback in the electric era. The company's vision is clear: produce an electric scooter that's practical, stylish, and accessible for the mass market. Instead of chasing extreme performance figures, Kinetic focuses on daily usability, cost efficiency, and long-term reliability, which perfectly suits urban commuters and first-time EV buyers. Design philosophy and styling. The Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 carries a clean and modern design while subtly honoring Kinetic's classic styling cues. The overall silhouette is simple yet appealing, making it suitable for riders of all age groups. Smooth body panels, sharp LED lighting, and a well-proportioned stance give the scooter a contemporary urban look. The front apron features minimalist lines, while the side panels stay uncluttered, enhancing ease of maintenance and visual appeal. The scooter avoids over-aggressive styling, instead opting for a balanced design that feels premium without appearing flashy. Build quality and practical construction. One of the strongest aspects of the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 is its solid build quality. The frame feels robust and well-engineered for city roads, including uneven surfaces and speed breakers. Panel gaps are tight, and the plastics are designed for durability rather than fragile aesthetics. Kinetic clearly prioritizes longevity, ensuring the scooter withstands daily commuting, parking in open areas, and long-term use. The floorboard is wide and flat, offering excellent legroom and space for carrying bags or groceries, which adds to everyday convenience. Electric motor and performance. At the heart of the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 lies an efficient electric motor tuned for urban performance. The motor delivers smooth and predictable acceleration, making it ideal for traffic-heavy city rides. While it may not be the fastest electric scooter in its segment, its power delivery is refined and user-friendly. The instant torque ensures quick starts at traffic lights, while the controlled top speed keeps the scooter stable and safe. This performance setup makes it perfect for riders who prioritize comfort and efficiency over aggressive speed. Top speed and ride modes. The Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 is expected to offer a practical top speed that suits daily commuting needs. Instead of pushing extreme numbers, Kinetic focuses on optimized speed for city conditions. Multiple ride modes may be available, allowing riders to switch between eco, city, and power modes. Eco mode emphasizes maximum range and battery efficiency, city mode balances speed and efficiency, and power mode unleashes the motor's full potential for quicker acceleration. This flexibility ensures the scooter adapts easily to different riding scenarios. Battery technology and charging. Battery performance plays a crucial role in any electric scooter, and Kinetic addresses this with a modern lithium-ion battery pack. The Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 offers a balanced battery capacity designed for daily commuting without range anxiety. Charging is expected to be simple and convenient, with support for home charging using a standard socket. The battery is engineered for longevity, maintaining stable performance over multiple charge cycles. Fast charging support, if included, further enhances usability for busy riders. Range and efficiency. Range remains one of the most important considerations for electric scooter buyers, and the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 delivers respectable figures for its segment. Under real-world riding conditions, the scooter provides enough range to cover daily office commutes, shopping trips, and short city travels comfortably. In eco mode, riders can maximize range, while higher modes offer flexibility when speed is needed. Kinetic's focus on efficiency ensures that charging costs remain significantly lower than traditional petrol scooters. Ride comfort and suspension setup. Comfort is where the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 truly shines. The suspension system is tuned to absorb bumps, potholes, and uneven roads commonly found in urban areas. The front suspension handles quick impact smoothly, while the rear setup keeps the ride composed even with a pillion. The seat is wide, well cushioned, and designed for long riding hours, reducing fatigue. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, making it comfortable for both short and extended commutes. Handling and urban maneuverability. Navigating through city traffic requires agility, and the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 delivers on this front. The lightweight construction combined with a well-balanced chassis makes the scooter easy to handle at low speeds. U-turns, tight lanes, and parking maneuvers feel effortless. The scooter remains stable at moderate speeds, providing confidence to both new and experienced riders. This ease of handling is a major advantage for daily urban commuting. Braking system and safety. Safety is a key focus in the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026. The scooter is equipped with a reliable braking system, likely featuring a combination of disc and drum brakes depending on the variant. Braking response is progressive and predictable, allowing riders to maintain control even during sudden stops. Additional safety features like combined braking systems enhance stability. LED lighting improves night visibility, while the strong chassis adds confidence during emergency situations. Smart features and digital connectivity. Modern riders expect smart features, and Kinetic answers this demand with a practical digital instrument cluster. The display provides essential information such as speed, battery percentage, range, and ride mode. Smart connectivity features may include mobile app integration for ride data, battery health monitoring, and navigation support. While not overly complex, these features add convenience and enhance the overall ownership experience. Storage space and daily practicality. The Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 excels in everyday practicality. Under-seat storage is designed to accommodate daily essentials like a helmet or small bag. Additional hooks and compartments make it easier to carry groceries or personal items. The flat floorboard enhances load carrying capability without compromising comfort. This focus on practicality makes the scooter especially appealing to families, students, and office commuters. Maintenance and ownership experience. Electric scooters are known for low maintenance, and the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 continues this tradition. With fewer moving parts compared to petrol scooters, routine servicing costs are significantly reduced. Kinetic's expanding service network ensures easier access to support and spare parts. The battery and motor are designed for long-term reliability, lowering overall ownership costs and increasing peace of mind. Expected price and value for money. Pricing plays a major role in the success of any electric scooter, and Kinetic aims to position the DX Electric Scooter 2026 as a value for money option. By focusing on practicality rather than premium extravagance, Kinetic ensures affordability without compromising core features. When combined with low running costs and government EV incentives, the overall value proposition becomes very attractive for cost-conscious buyers. Competition and market position. The electric scooter market in 2026 is highly competitive, with numerous established and emerging brands. The Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 stands out by leveraging brand trust, simple design, and practical performance. Instead of competing solely on speed or technology, it targets riders seeking a dependable and economical electric scooter. This positioning allows it to appeal to a broad audience and carve out a strong market presence. Environmental impact and sustainability. By choosing the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026, riders contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable future. Zero tailpipe emissions reduce air pollution, while lower noise levels enhance urban living conditions. Kinetic's focus on efficient energy use and durable components further supports sustainability by minimizing waste and resource consumption over the scooter's lifecycle. Who should buy the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026? The Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 is ideal for daily commuters, students, first-time electric vehicle buyers, and families looking for a reliable second vehicle. It suits riders who value comfort, efficiency, and affordability over extreme performance. With its user-friendly design and practical features, it also appeals to older riders transitioning from petrol scooters. Final verdict. Top Gear's recommendation. From design and comfort to efficiency and affordability, the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 delivers a well-rounded electric mobility solution. It stays true to Kinetic's legacy while embracing modern electric technology. While it may not be the most powerful or tech-heavy scooter on the market, its practicality, comfort, and low ownership cost make it a smart choice for everyday riders. That wraps up our in-depth look at the Kinetic DX Electric Scooter 2026 here on Top Gears. If you're considering an electric scooter that focuses on real-world usability and long-term value, this one definitely deserves a place on your shortlist. Stay tuned to Top Gears for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates from the world of two-wheelers.